Mozrog Scragbad is a beast boss of the snake bites. A strange war boss who prefers to hang around with squigs rather than his own kin. Legend says he grew up in exile hunting massive beasts, making him a master at tracking and ambushes. Joining the wild war boss, Gobgrinder, joined the invasion of Irwin II by the Iron Warriors. Mozgrod was swallowed by a massive thing called a Gutmaw, losing his trusty steed to its guts. Clawing himself free from its insides as he was slowly digested, he cut out the beast's eyes and dragged them back to his boys, earning him the respect of Gobgrinder. His pain boys replacing his limb with the Power Claw, Gut Ripper, named after his survival inside the Gutmaw. Many say Mozrog can't be killed as he hunts ever bigger gits to prove his orkiness, with some stupid orcs reckoning he'll hunt down the stars when nothing else is left to kill. Warband's hearing of his stories, seeking him out to join his tribal warriors. Mozrog tolerates his newfound tribe, despite still preferring squigs. Oh, that reminds me. He also got this big albino squig called Big Chomper. Its name is the bad beast of Scrapmud and eater of Warboss Norbag's buggy, untamable by any orc save for Mozrog. Said to submit to the snakebite upon a single glare from his eyes. In reality, the Great White Squig took 3 days of chasing, wrestling, and even the occasional slap to bring it to heel. Inseparable ever since, much to the relief of everyone involved, now not having to worry about the carnage which would happen if they left either unattended. Maybe one day, Mozrog will find a beast so big, even he can't kill it. But until then, you can guarantee he's gonna make a great scrap along the way.